Hey,
Yes.
watch out.
Okay.
Miss Bennett, Libby has some.
What? A bit more.
Miss Bennett, it would be funny if you put little people in it.
That would. All right. Hopefully I left enough space for this. Are we ready?
Yeah!
Okay. Let's softly count backwards by 10 for the eruption, okay?
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And eruption. It's
That
pink
is
lava. Look at it, still coming out just like real lava. It's coming down the mountain. It's still erupting, isn't it?
I still can't see it.
Is it still coming out?
It's not gonna go over.
It's like
But it won't go over. That's a good thing it didn't go
on
over.
the dirt, it looks kind of like
Can we do
snow.
that again?
It does, doesn't
It's
it?
pink.
Touch it.
It's still erupting out, isn't it?
Yeah.
Coming slowly, and that's what real lava does. It comes out and down. What was the when it's in the earth? What's lava called? Magma. Yep. It's still erupting.
And it's called Mama.
Wow. Okay.
It's
Let's
so
give a hand to our shark group. All right.
Take a picture of us.
Okay, we'll get you 3.